Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here today, I want to say big thank you to you, and if you're a returnee, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I am so grateful that you constantly come back and check on me every week. So today's video is going to be how to do a fitting braid. This is a requested video, and I wanted to really make this video because it was highly requested. And I made a video on how to cornrow, and today's video is going to be how to make a fitting braid. I already have two fitting braids that I did here. If I can bend it over, let me adjust the camera better. Great. So I already have two size of fitting braid that I already did here. I did a bigger one and I did a smaller one, and I'm going to show you guys how to do a very simple fitting braid, especially if you're a beginner. So first of all, what you have to do before you start doing your fitting braid is get your hair ready. Get it ready in front of you so that when you're reaching out for your hair, it's going to be fast, so you won't have to stop and come back or stop and come back. This is what I do, so you may want to do that as well. So I'm just going to I have a video on how to prepare your extension, especially if you want to have that nice end. I have a video up. I'm going to leave a link on this video so that you can go watch that. So I have a hair already ready. So what you want to do is section the hair that you want to use out. So if you're planning to have like 10 like extension inside, you want to lay that all out, but you can just lay that as much as you can out first. Okay, so what you want to do is take a little bit of the extension. So start with a smaller one, and as you go, you gradually start adding a little bit of hair to it. Sometimes I feel like I don't pronounce all my word out, or I'm pronouncing it wrong, forgive me. And yeah, so the next one is going to be a little bit bigger than the first one, and I'm going to lay them down right in front of me. Right in front of me there is a table right in front of me, and I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Hair out. So now that I'm done, I'm just going to put the rest of the hair, tie it up so that you don't mess it all up, and I'm going to put it right at the side in front of me. So I'm going to take a comb. You can use a section comb depending on the hair that you're working with. You can use a big comb. You can use this thing is not so pointy, but you can section the hair out of it, or you can use an extreme pointy comb. But I'm going to be using, I don't know, I'm going to try and use this one for today. So you want to section the part that you want to cornrow out. For you to be able to do a fitting braid is very good to know how to cornrow first, otherwise it's going to be hard. If you really know how to cornrow, this part is going to be very easy for you to learn. Okay, I'm going to put the rest of the hair away, so out of the way, so that when I'm braiding I don't take some of the hair in. So comb the hair out. For me, I have to comb my hair out before I start braiding, cornrowing, whatsoever, because it's easier, it doesn't tangle up, it's easier for me to cornrow or braid. So I'm going to go in, now that I'm done, sorry, I think I'm faster than myself. So now that I'm done sectioning the hair out like this, I'm going to go in. If you want Sorry, I'm looking at the viewfinder. If you want, you can start with an extension, but I prefer to start with your own hair at the front. Depending how long your hair is, I may start with your own natural hair at the front, or I may add just a tiny, you could barely see it, a tiny bit of extension to it. But this video, I'm going to show you how to do it without the extension. So you're going to section a part out of the hair, and that part you're going to section it into 3 parts. I'm trying to make it even, so 3 parts. I have 1, 2, 3. I have my my right one, my middle part, and my left hand. So what I'm going to do, I have a video on how to cornrow. If you want to know how to cornrow, please, I'm going to leave a link down below so that you can see and watch and learn how to cornrow. So I'm just going to start to cornrow my hair. I want to cornrow just a little bit like this, and I'm going to start adding hair. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm going to start adding hair to my my hair. Yes. Then if you see, I have 2 finger free. I have this finger and this finger free. So I'm going to take the first little hair that I sectioned out before, and I'm going to place that between this finger and this finger, and I'm going to take one side of the extension, and I'm going to try, okay, let's move this a little bit off the way, and take this one, and I'm going to try and stuck it in between my finger, and I will add it to one of the hair. So, and I'm going to cornrow a little bit. You can let this go now. 1, 2, 3. Then you can add the second one. 1, 2, 3. So now that I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and okay, let me repeat that. It may be confusing at times, so let me do that one more time. I'm taking one extension, I'm putting that between my pinky finger and my ring finger, and I'm taking one end of the hair, which is the left side, and I'm tucking that in between the index finger and the thumb, and I'm adding that to the hair over there, and I'm going to let this go now, and I'm going to cornrow twice. 1, 2, and I'm going to take that one that was left behind, I'm going to tuck that in between my index finger and my thumb and cornrow twice. 1, 2. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm trying to say. One more time. I'm putting that in between my pinky finger and my ring finger, and I'm pulling that over my hair that is being cornrowed, and I'm putting the one hand of that extension, I'm putting it between my index finger and my thumb, and I'm going to cornrow, and I'm going to let the other hand go. 1, 2. Then I'm going to do the same thing by adding that left over here to my index and my thumb, and I'm going to cornrow. 1, 2. One more time. Taking one extension, put that in between my ring finger and my pinky finger, put that one side of the hair in between my index and my thumb, and I'm going to let the other side go, and I'm going to cornrow. 1, 2, and I'm going to add that in. 1, 2. So as you can see, it's coming out very neat and very nice. 1, 2. So guys, that is how you do a fitting braid. I'm so thankful whoever sent me or this request. I'm really happy that I'm able to show you guys on how to do this hairstyle or how to cornrow, how to do fitting braids. Please keep sending me messages or leave a comment down below if you have any interest of any hairstyle, and I'll see if I will be able to make a video or a tutorial on that hair. So this is the finished look. As you can see, it's very neatly and simply done. It's very nice. And yeah, that is how you do a fitting braid. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet and you have watched this far, please subscribe. Push the subscribe button down below, and also put that bell down below so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video, or just check on me once a week to see what I've uploaded. I try my best to upload at least once a week. I'm trying to be uploading more often, but I want you guys to give me some ideas or some of the things that you guys are interested in. For example, tutorials on braid, single braid, corn rolling, any hairstyle that you may be interested on that I can do a video on. So that is all about this video, guys. I hope you like, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.